In today's session, I'm going to take you through how to do a 50K month consistently in your coaching consultancy business. If you're a starting entrepreneur, this is not going to be for you. If you are a wannabe entrepreneur, this is not for you either. You can only do this if you're good at what you do, you have an information-based service, so you could be an anxiety coach or a stress coach or depression coach or a fitness coach, career coach, business coach, relationship coach, because you need to be able to teach someone information. Or you could be like any of our clients. We've covered over 1,000+ niches at this point, so there's not a niche that we haven't covered, well over 1,000 different niches. Right now we've got over 400 current clients. On our 3-month support program, we give you the system of exactly how to do this. I'll show you exactly what it is. It is purely a numbers game. And look, I know a lot of people hear these big figures and I get it. A small percentage of people can do this, not everyone. I'm not here to tell you everyone can do this, because they can't. You can't do this if you're in affiliate marketing. You can't do this if you're in a multi-level marketer. You can't do this if you are, you're just not very good at teaching something. This is specifically only for people that actually are good at what they do. One of our clients, for example, helps horse riders how to create their own harnesses, right? All of our clients have expertise. If you don't have expertise, it's never going to work. So it doesn't matter how niche it is. Sometimes people say, does it matter the niche? No, the more niche, the better. But look, here's how we do it. I'll break it down because it's a numbers game. If you want to do a 50 grand month at a price point, you need an offer, right? It's not just choosing to charge your pricing. You need to be able to know exactly what you're going to deliver over a 3-month program, and to be charged at 2,500 is kind of the minimum. We do have clients that start less at 1,500. You're not going to go straight in and do a 50K month because you're going to have to sell too many units. So look at the maths on this. We have a specific consultation process. So what we do is our system guarantees potential clients. And so a percentage of people are going to book these sessions with you, free sessions. It was one piece. You can't be doing loads of content marketing. It's not about loads of social media. So stop doing like every social media channel, stop doing webinars. We don't do this with a webinar either. It's just one piece of content, which is non-webinar, no video ads, very simple basics, so that you get the messaging aligned. And that's why we've got loads of clients, if you've seen our testimonials, that have done these sorts of figures. So look, a percentage of people are going to book a call for a session with you, a free session. All right, you're going to be marketed in a very specific way so that you're solving your specific problem. Now, if you close 10, so that's like 20% close rate, that brings you to 25,000. So we're a bit short off that. All right, plus say we're running ads. So say you're spending 200 for a book call cost, that means that we've got to spend 40 times 200 equals 8 grand, okay, a month. Yeah, this is a real business model. It's not just like, hey, look, let's buy some followers. No, it's a real business. You can't take followers to the bank, y'all. Have you tried to? They don't accept them. So look, profit, we end up with 17 grand. So we need to change these metrics. Do you see that? So for example, if we double, all right, if we take our closing rate, because I showed you how to become a better closer, and you went up at 20, all right, we literally double that. So we put in 50,000 minus 8, that's 42,000. Look how the metrics change, right? Because your closing rate went up by 50%, right? Because I showed you how to do better consultations, better content that sets up the sale for you. So we're still not at 42,000. We could work on your ads. My team becomes your team, so we can get that call cost down by another $100 at least. So you're doing 4,000. So we put another 4 on, 42, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're at 46,000, okay? 50% close rate is not unreasonable expected. We could get clients to 60%, 70% of people will never buy from you. But look how we shift it. Say you do another, say you do another 2 units, okay? So take that up to 55,000. We are there, 55,000. You've done the same amount of work. You've got the same amount of calls coming through. You are now at 51,000. That's how you do 51,000 in a month. Let me show you some other metrics so this becomes more exciting, because look, you're not doing more work. That's the thing, you're just getting better. All you need is 3 elements: ad flow, one sales process, and then delivery, because you've got to be able to deliver a great client result. Look at when these metrics change. Say for example, we worked with you and so you were able to increase your offer from just 2,500 to 3,000. Let's go back to the original stats. You get book calls 40, you did 20, 50% closing rate. So you generated 60,000. With book call cost, let's take it down because we worked with it to get it down. So there you go, we dropped that. Just by putting on the extra 500, you're able to do 60,000 off that initial, off that initial number. Hold on. The slide before we did 22 units, right? 22. So 22 units at 3 is 66. Okay. 4 grand ad spend. So you're looking at a monthly profit of 62. Beautiful. Hold on. Yeah, just double checking. All right. So look, that's how you do it. And look, taking on 22 clients per month is actually not that much. Obviously, as you start to scale month on month, you need to have automated delivery. It cannot be done one-to-one. We start our clients one-to-one, and then we scale them up into a one-to-many automated delivery without having to create a program. Now, let me tell you some things that you got to stop. All right, stop. Okay, here's some things you got to stop. Stop this. All right, because this will really help you. Stop every social media channel. Okay, stop multiple businesses. Get one business working. What other things? Stop scrolling social media. Stop focusing on loads of things. Get good at one thing. That's my list of stops today. All right, as always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to book a one-to-one session with one of my team, and what they will do is show you how the client's automation system can work for you. I'll just quickly show you what we do. The COA system is this. We basically leverage lead flow into one sales process, into one program. We help you automate it. We take an ad and any leverage socials that you have, we drive that into one piece of content, simple, not a webinar, just so you know. All right, a simple PDF. Then at a later stage, we turn that PDF into an automated webinar, but not until it's converting. Straight drive that into one sales process, automated email setup. So you're collecting data. So you're building a client list, which is real asset, drive them back into the sales process that buy into your program. And so just a heads up, when you're finished with us, you own that system for life at no extra cost to you, no ongoing cost. So look, if you want to book a one-to-one session with one of my team, click the link below and they'll take you through a Get Client strategy plan and show you exactly how the COA system would work for your business. See you on the next video.